So hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I know I am lost since a month. Basically the reason is I was not keeping good with my health. So that's the only reason I was not able to vlog. But we are back again to the channel and this time I am not going to miss any vlog. Hopefully because Imran ne mujhe promise kiya that he's going to help me with some of the vlogs. So let's see how Imran takes the camera.
So guys, we are almost done.
I am not sure about it. Like मुझे 0% surety भी नहीं है that Imran is going to do so because you guys know how camera shy Imran is and मुझे बहुत सारे friends भी बोलते हैं like when Imran is like in the background, why don't you let him speak? But I swear it's not me, it's him who is not speaking. So let's see how it is. I was also camera shy the very first day when I did my first vlog. So let's see how it goes for Imran. Anyway, it's Ramadan starting. अभी श्योरिटी नहीं है, या तो कल भी हो सकता है या तो परसों भी हो सकता है. But majority of the we confirmed from certain masjids. We called them and they are confirming like it's 99% tomorrow. 1% of the chances हो सकते हैं that it's gonna be on 1st of March, but no, sorry, 2nd of March. But most likely, most probably, it's gonna be 1st of March for sure. So we have zero preparations for Ramadan. Zero. Like, this big whole zero. Because we, the whole week for us was very hectic. Imran had work, I had work, we had other commitments to do, so we got no time to shop. So today, like last year, we went together for the grocery shopping of Ramadan. So we'll be going today again. I'm gonna take you guys along and let's see what we have new for the Ramadan here. First, हम लोग Costco जाएंगे as usual because I think there are so many things in Costco that are good for Ramadan. Like, you need good food after you fast for like more than 16 hours. So we are going to Costco first and then let's see, we have to go for an Indian/Pakistani store to get the famous, without which Ramadan ka iftar is completely empty. The famous, I don't know, you can guess or no. Let me not exaggerate. So it is the Ruh Afza. Imran ka bhi favorite hai, mera bhi favorite hai. So we have to get Costco mein. It's like, I think 0% chances Costco mein mile. But let's see where will we go for getting the Ruh Afza. So let me take you along since it's -19 right now. So don't guess कि मैं ऐसे ही बाहर जाने वाली हूँ. We have to layer up. This is my first layer up. I have the second -30 jacket to gear up. It's 1st March tomorrow, but it's still -19. Can you guys imagine? बाहर इतना sunny दिख रहा है. I'll show you from the back camera. But Canada का weather you cannot predict. So let me show you from the back camera how sunny it is. But don't guess that weather is the final weather. Just look at how sunny it is. It looks like, oh my god, क्या sunny weather है, बहुत awesome है. But no, this is not the reality. The reality is -19 for now. So all set to go. We are all layered up with our jackets and all the things because बाहर बहुत ज़्यादा ठंड है. As I told you, it's -19 right now. So Imran, can you please be quick and let's just go because बहुत ज़्यादा late हो रहा है. Where's your shoe? Imran, say hi to the camera after so long.
Hi guys, I will be leading this channel. Let's see.
Let's see. Let's see how it goes. Finally, we have reached Costco and can you imagine हमें 15 से 20 minutes लगे to get the parking. It's so crazy here. I don't know, मुझे ऐसे लगता है सारे लोग आज Costco ही आए. I don't know what's happening. So we have just parked our car and we are now going inside. It is so crowdy. Basically मुझे ऐसे लगता है कि आज Saturday है and it's the season of Ramadan as well. So everyone is shopping a lot because जहाँ पे हम आए हैं it's in Mississauga, the Costco. And I believe most of the Muslims live in Mississauga. So that's the only reason for it. So look at Imran's hair. It's so windy right now. It's crazy. So let's go inside because it's so cold. I cannot feel my hands. So let's go inside and see you there. You know what, guys? This gold section is my favorite section. I just love the gold here. मतलब ये 18 कैरेट भी है, कुछ चीज़ें 18 की है, कुछ 14 की है, but you can get gold as well in Costco and very good varieties. Like you can get silver as well. But you know what's the best thing that I love about gold in Costco, and I really want to get it one day. I don't know कब लेंगे, but I'll show you from the back camera. Just give me 1 second. Yeah, this thing. I just love this gold thing. It's called as the biscuit. And ये है बहुत ही ज़्यादा highly expensive, 4,269. So you can get this, and छोटा वाला भी है जो $1,414 का है. And we have a coin as well which is for $11.59. And we have other things also like this. Oh, this is ज़्यादा ही है, ये 50 grams की है. Oh my god, we have 100 grams as well. And 100 grams is for 13,659. Oh my god. Let's ask Imran, can he gift me this sometime? I don't know किस ज़माने में. Imran, क्या तुम मुझे ये कभी गिफ्ट कर सकते हो? It's just for 4,269.
Not rupees, right? $8, right?
It's not what?
It's dollars.
I know it's dollars, but we can get it sometime, no?
This is good like investment.
Right? ऊपर वाली तो 13 की है, see?
But
ये
they
वाली
have specific styles, right? They have specific emblems, I can say.
yeah, but
इससे कुछ होता है ना, I don't remember the name, कुछ बोलते हैं इसको like.
ये वाली जो है
The more they have very fancy नहीं like they have different names, right? उसका major वो होता है.
ये है I think it's how much is this grams? 1 ounce is how
1
much?
ounce gold
Ounce,
bar.
sorry.
And this is 2 per 4 days, so we can only buy 2.
इमरान हमें एक ही लेनी है.
But this
हमें
is
दो
for the
नहीं.
one thing, and this is for your 100 grams.
ये तो बहुत, ये 100 grams की है. That's why it's expensive, right? And ये वाली जो है ये 50 grams है ना?
Half, almost.
ये half है. And coin भी है फिर. Oh God,
They
I'm
are
so.
famous ones, but these ones.
Imran, can we just target to why we are here rather than seeing these things and getting
This
overwhelmed?
is good, right? Let's go for Ramadan.
Let's just leave it for now and let's go for Ramadan shopping. Cute. That's the good thing. Whatever you buy, you can try it. So let's try the vanilla cream filled. What is it? Vanilla filled cream mochi. Let me try this. So let's try this mochi. I have never ever tried this in my whole life. बहुत जो ये कोरियन होते हैं ना वो ऐसे मोची वो I don't know you guys have seen it in the reels. It's very soft, so let's just see how it is. It's like a jelly. Just look at it. It's so good.
Not so good.
Like it's good.
10 out of
It's too sweet for me.
10 out of
10 on 6 because I don't like sweet. So maybe जिनको शुगरी अच्छा लगता है they'll be 10 on 10 for this. It's very soft. ऐसे jelly जैसी नहीं होती. It's like that.
So we are buying this for sari or not?
No, not at all. This is just for the trial because they were giving it. So I thought like let me just try. So because it's good to try free food. Why not? So kind of good, but not wow. So no for me. I don't know. I'm so confused with the pans. मुझे pan लेना है. So there are so many YouTube videos and everything. I have searched them online. तो कोई बोलता है कि these ones with the aluminum thing are good. And we have one more which looks like this. So I'm not sure
I like
with
this
it.
one.
It's not about liking Imran.
No, I know why.
We have
you
to.
know what is this? You know PUBG? You have pan.
मुझे नहीं पता
ऐसे मारता
PUBG.
है PUBG पे करके.
मुझे नहीं पता PUBG का.
PUBG game, right?
No, I don't know.
PUBG game you always have a pan.
Okay. Okay. Anyway, let's just come to the main thing. We are very confused with the pan thing because जो मेरे पास existing pans है ना, it has some kind of scratch and I have seen in the internet एक भी scratch अगर आपके pan में हो ना, just throw that pan because it releases such a huge amount of toxins into your food, so it's not a good thing. If you have a scratch in your pan, it's time to change it. So I'm definitely gonna get one for me because all my like 2 of my pans are completely going into the garbage after I buy this. लेकिन मैं sure नहीं हूँ अब which one to buy.
This is good.
This one or this one? It's a pack of 3 basically. Let me show you from the back camera. So this is one of them जो मैंने already दिखाया. It has no that thing. जो ऐसे grilling thing है ना, ये वाला इसमें वो नहीं है. I'm not sure. And this like pack of 3 is for 1697. And this pack of 3 ये क्या है?
This is looking more professional, right?
मैं professional कैसे लगता है pan?
But it's expensive. See?
It's expensive.
Almost double.
It's double the price. So that means it's good.
Master
Double the
use करते हैं.
Master Chef. So we are really confused. This is like for $114, but pans अच्छे लग रहे हैं ना? And ये normal लग रहा है तो ये 69 का है. So we should go with these. And they have other things also. ये भी है कुछ इमरान, but ये एक ही pan है. Can you just hold it? Oh my, it's just one pan for $200.
Heavy, yeah.
Let's just decide quickly with 2 of them. So I'm gonna get the tortilla wraps. It's a really good option for Ramadan क्योंकि इसमें हम wraps बना सकते हैं, right? And it's very healthy. Like we have one option and there is one high protein option as well. Let me show you. The high protein one is really good. It's free of gluten and all that. So I'm gonna get this. इसमें फिर chicken डालो या you know everything, whatever, veg or chicken, whatever you like. So it's a really good option. I'm definitely gonna get this for iftari. So we got this sweet potato chips with some kind of spread. And again, we gotta try a sample at Costco. मुझे ऐसा लगता है Costco में आपका lunch ही हो जाता है. You get so many options to try. So let's try the sweet potato chips with this spread. I don't know, it's puck spread, something like that. It's really good. ये जो इसका spread है, I don't know. It's not a spread. It's not a mayo. It's not a cheese. It's not a curd. It's really something different. Have to check the ingredients. Should we get it? I think a good snack option because chips, sweet potato chips are kind of healthy. And obviously spread is not going to be healthy for sure. But that's okay. We can get it. So fruits are so important and so important throughout the 30 days. And I'm not sure with the orange, Imran. Which, oh my god, look at the pack of lemons. इतने lemons का तो क्या ही करेंगे. Not good for people of 2 living. So we'll definitely go with the orange. And these are some Cara orange. I don't know, product of Morocco. So let's go with the orange. The bag is really big. Again, not good for people of 2. But let's just get this one bag of. Oh, ये अंदर से वो है. इमरान, hold it. ये अंदर से ये orange ऐसा है. Like reddish type of orange. So let's take it. A lot of tomatoes here. ये cherry tomatoes है. Imran, do we need these tomatoes or no? ये tomatoes चाहिए? Cherry tomatoes. We have another one as well. Sorry. Oh my god, these are so cute. Cute tomato लगते हैं मुझे ये वाले. And it's called as the grape tomato and the cherry on the vine. Imran, कौन से वाले लेने हैं? I think these ones are good. Let's keep this one. I really like these. I don't know, ये pepper है या ये chili types है, but it's very cute. मुझे नहीं पता what I'm gonna make from this, but I just love it. And I think ये taste भी अच्छा करेगा because it's like sweet bell peppers का छोटा version. So we're gonna definitely take it and we can use it like, I think use तो कर ही सकते हैं. So let's just grab it. So Imran choosing the best cantaloupe, right? Imran, what's the trick? Best कैसे choose करते हैं? ये क्या है? No, you have to smell it. It's not a watermelon. Smell. जो मीठा स्मेल करेगा ना वही अच्छा है. मुझे लगता है नो इसकी शेप अजीब है इमरान. शेप अच्छी होनी चाहिए. हाँ, मुझे लगता है ये अच्छा है. दिखाओ मुझे, स्मेल कराओ. I don't know.
Yeah, this is good.
So okay, we are going with this. I really like this fruit. I don't know how to pronounce it. It's called as Sharon. क्या लिखा है? Sharon, product of Israel. So I don't know. I'm not sure about the pronunciation. Sorry for that. But I'm definitely gonna get this one. So Imran, can you choose the best one? I think यही वाला अच्छा है. थोड़े orange वाले होने चाहिए. looks orange. मुझे लगता है पहला वाला ही अच्छा है. Let's get this one and let's get kiwi as well because kiwi is again a very good fruit. So again watermelon is मुझे लगता है इमरान हर घर में watermelon हर इफ्तारी में होगा, right?
Look for the yellow patch.
So Imran is giving you a good trick. Watermelon कैसे check करते हैं? Imran, what's the trick?
This is good.
Just because of yellow patch? Yellow patch is the sign of sweetest watermelon. तो जहाँ पे भी yellow patch दिखे, just get it. And इमरान ऐसे भी check करो, जो ऐसे knock करते हैं. It should be empty from inside. Hollow नहीं होना चाहिए.
Yellow patch is only trick.
इमरान एक और yellow देखो, क्या पता किसी का कुछ ज़्यादा yellow हो. These are so huge watermelons. I don't know how we're gonna finish it, but let's search for another good one. Imran, this is also having a yellow patch.
But don't have a yellow patch, right?
So the one we got is the good one. Chalo. Let's go into the produce section. It's a minus, I don't know, 40 or 50 here. So what is it? Blueberries? ये कैसे strawberries है? Oh, it's not a strawberry, it's a pine berry. ये white color के क्यों है? ये tasty होंगे?
Pink and blue.
Oh shit, I have never seen a strawberry like this before. It's not a strawberry basically. It's a pine berry. Oh god. Imran, can we try this? And there are blueberries as well, but they don't look good. So बहुत ऐसे लग रही है. So let's just skip the blueberry for now. What else? Mushrooms?
Mushrooms. Salad.
So we have this mushroom and we have another variety of mushroom which is this. So I think let's skip mushrooms for now. Let's skip salads for now because salads तो क्या ही खाएंगे रोज़े में. So this section is completely neglected because it's Ramadan. So one last sample guys because we are leaving. So I thought why not. So I got some pita chips and these are the chips. Garlic and herb का flavor है. Let's just try it.
We should buy it not.
This is so good. And पता नहीं क्यों मुझे garlic का flavor बहुत अच्छा लगता है. And these are so crisp. And Imran, you know what he said? जो ये sample दे रहा था. This is 100% like baked या fried. I don't know, in coconut oil. So kind of healthy, right? Can we get one chips packet? Can we get? I think सामने वाले section में है.
I got it for you.
So this is like this. 100% cooked in coconut oil. Garlic and herbs, so a really good choice to go forward in Ramadan
This is for
and
iftari
keeping
time.
it healthy.
After iftari time.
This is after iftari snack, right? So we got one pack. So let's go. So we are kind of done with the entire shopping of groceries for Ramadan, and बहुत overwhelm हो जाते हैं grocery करते वक्त, especially when you come to Costco. जो आपने list of things you have kept in mind, उसका मुझे लगता है 20% भी execute नहीं होता है. It's just like 10% of it. The rest 80%, 90% of the things are जो आपने कभी सोची भी नहीं हो आपको लेनी है, but you get so overwhelmed. And the specific thing is here, जो यहाँ पे sampling का है ना, you get to eat and you are like, wow, ये भी ले लेते हैं, ये भी ले लेते हैं. So anyway, we are done with it and we are waiting for our turn to come. It's crazy busy right now. The lineup is huge. So we are just waiting in the line to get our turn and we'll be leaving from Costco and we have to go for another place because यहाँ पे रूह अफ़ज़ा and all that तो मिलता ही नहीं है. So हमें किसी Indian या पाकिस्तानी store जाना पड़ेगा for getting all the other things. So guys, finally I'm here at Chalo Freshco and the reason why I'm here is, let me show you. This is the main reason why I'm here and this is Ruh Afza. Obviously ये हमदर्द का ही होता है हर जगह, right? And here they have a lot of other varieties but we trust with this one. ये क्या है?
पाकिस्तानी के
अच्छा ये कुछ पाकिस्तानी है. जमे Shireen, sugar free? No.
kind of.
I don't trust this because since childhood we have been
Give me this.
drinking this, so we don't want to trust this time. especially with the brand. So we'll go with this one again because ये भी पाकिस्तानी होता है हमदर्द वाला.
I think so.
So we have grew up with this thing in iftari, and this is हाँ ये product of Pakistan ही है, and this is the super duper mandatory thing. मुझे लगता है इमरान throughout the world, no matter which country you are opening your iftar, this is mandatory unless and until उस country में ये मिल रहा है या नहीं. So we're gonna take this, and we have to take some of the other things as well. So let's grab them quickly. So guys, we are back home and I'm so tired for the day. Oh god, मुझे ऐसे लग रहा है कि it was like, you know, from last so many months we haven't done a proper grocery thing. As I told you, I was not keeping good with my health. So it was like, you know, on and off. We were ordering from outside and कभी तो हमने थोड़ा सा टिफ़िन भी लगवा लिया था for 1 week. But it didn't turn well. The food was not good. I don't know, we are not like more of rotis and all the things, and I don't know, मुझे ऐसे लगता है कि घर का खाना जो भी आप बनाओ, like, you know, no matter, I know it's very tiring sometimes, but still, at least if you're cooking rice and eating out with curd, it's still better than outside food. So we just stopped it. It was sampling for 1 week and then we didn't like it. We tried multiple places, but I don't know what happened. Maybe our taste buds are not meant for the tiffin food. So anyway, we did a groceries after a long time, and I told you it's Ramadan. So for Ramadan, you should be stocked up for the things and good fruits, vegetables, all the juices, everything should be at home because you need to be hydrated. You have only two options, सहरी और इफ्तारी का, जब आप खा सकते हो. So anyway, सहरी is declared now. For we have to wake up at 5 or 4:45 a.m. and we'll be keeping our first roza from tomorrow. And I'm so excited. I just wanted to say that I'll be showing more of Ramadan vlogs. Hopefully, fingers crossed for that. And hopefully, things should go well. And inshallah, Imran has already declared that he will be getting into the vlogs. So let's see how it is.
Yeah, I will be in vlogs.
So Imran was listening me in the background.
Ramadan Mubarak, guys, once again from my
Yeah.
side.
So you want to say anything for the vlogs?
Nothing, just
You're
bye-
gonna
bye
come,
for now.
right?
Bye for now, yeah.
Yeah. So bye for now. Let's see you in the Ramadan, and Imran will be taking care of the Ramadan vlogs, right?
Let's see, I will try.
Okay, guys. Bye. Ramadan Mubarak for
Once again.
yeah. All right.
See you guys.
Bye bye. Take care. See you in the next vlog. Bye.